our question is show that first p2n 0 is equal to minus 1 to the power n factorial 2n upon 2 to the power 2n factorial n whole square, and second one is p2n plus 0 is equal to 0. Here we know that generating function for Legendre polynomial Pnx is summation n from 0 to infinity t to the power n. Pnx is equal to 1 minus 2xt plus t square to the power minus half. ये हम ऑलरेडी प्रूफ कर चुके हैं. अब अगर जनरेटिंग फंक्शन में हम x is equal to 0 पुट करें तो we will get summation n from 0 to infinity t to the power n. Pn 0 is equal to 1 plus, यहाँ पे x 0 रखेंगे, ये टर्म 0, so we have remaining 1 plus t. अब we have 1 plus t square to the power minus half. Now its expansion using binomial expansion, we have 1 minus half t square plus half dot 3 upon 4 t to the power 4 plus dot dot minus 1 to the power r 1 dot 3 dot 5 dot dot 2r minus 1 upon 2 dot 4 dot 6 dot dot 2r t to the power 2r plus dot dot. ये एक्सपेंशन है 1 plus x to the power minus n का. So इस तरह से हम इसे एक्सपेंशन कर सकते हैं. Now equating the coefficient of t to the power 2n on both side, we get, यहाँ पे अगर हम n is equal to 2 रखें तो we will get t to the power 2n into pn0. So pn0 t to the power 2n का coefficient लेफ्ट साइड में है p2n0 is equal to minus 1 to the power n. अब राइट साइड का coefficient है t to the power 2n coefficient is this one. So that is minus 1 to the power n 1 dot 3 dot 5 dot dot 2n minus 1 upon 2 dot 4 dot 6 dot dot 2n. अब हम इसे फैक्टोरियल फॉर्म में लाने के लिए ऊपर और नीचे सेम 2 dot 4 dot 6 dot dot 2n से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. So we will get after multiplying minus 1 to the power n 1 dot 2 dot 3 dot 4 dot dot 2n minus 1 2n upon, क्योंकि नीचे हमने इसी से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, so we have whole square of 2 dot 4 dot 6 dot dot 2n. Now minus 1 to the power n, this one is 2n factorial, factorial of 2n, and in denominator we have 2 to the power n 1 dot 2 dot 3 dot 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 n whole square. अब यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि सारे टर्म में 2 dot 4 dot 6, अगर हम इनमें से 2 कॉमन निकाल लें तो we have 2 to the power n and remaining one is 1 dot 2 dot 3 dot 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 n का whole square. So now we have minus 1 to the power n 2n factorial upon 2 to the power 2n, क्योंकि इसका whole square है, whole square को हम break कर रहे हैं तो 2 to the power n का whole square is 2 to the power 2n, and 1 dot 2 dot 3 dot, we know that this is factorial n and whole square of factorial n is factorial n whole square. Now for the second part where we have to prove p2n plus 1 0 is equal to 0. So equating the coefficient of t to the power 2n plus 1 on both side, अगर हम इस इक्वेशन को ले तो यहाँ पे t to the power 2n plus 1 हमें इक्वेट करना है. So replacing n by 2n plus 1, we have left side as p2n plus 1 0, and we can see in right side there is only even power of t, there is no power of odd, so this is equal to 0. We can write here, since right hand side contains only even power of t, आप देख सकते हो ये t square है, t to the power 4 है, and last है t to the power 2r. So right side कोई भी odd power contain नहीं कर रहा है, so we can write here pn12 plus 1 0 is equal to 0. Now our next example is express 4x cube 6x square plus 7x plus 2 in terms of Legendre polynomials. Means how a function, how an equation can be expressed in terms of Legendre polynomials. That's we have to answer here. We know by Roderick formula Pnx is equal to 1 upon 2n factorial n factorial d to the power n dn dx to the power n x square minus 1 to the power n. ये हमारा रॉड्रिक फॉर्मूला है. अब अगर हम इस फॉर्मूला में n is equal to 0 1 2 3 रखें तो we will get for 0 P0x is equal to 1, P1x is equal to x, P2x is equal to half 3x square minus 1, P3x is equal to half 5x cube minus 3x. यहाँ पे हम n is equal to 0, then 1, then 2, then 3 अगर हम रखें, we will get this one. Now by Roderick formula we have this one. अब we have polynomial 4x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 2, यानी हमारे पास क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल है. तो we will start from alpha into p3x plus beta into p2x plus gamma p1x plus zeta p0x. अल्फा p3x की वैल्यू हम जानते हैं, it is given here, just we have found p3x is half 5x cube minus 3x, so we have written here, plus beta p2x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे रखेंगे, p2x is half 3x square minus 1 plus gamma into p1x, p1x is x, so we have written here x plus zeta, since p0x is 1, so zeta into 1 is zeta. Now after simplifying we have 5 alpha upon 2x cube plus 3 beta upon 2x square plus gamma minus 3 alpha upon 2x plus zeta minus beta upon 2. Now equating the coefficient of power x cube, x square, x and x to the power 0, यानी x के जो भी पावर है उसको अगर हम इक्वेट करें दोनों साइड, तो we have x cube is equal to, we have here x cube coefficient is 4, here x cube coefficient is 5 alpha upon 2. So first one is 5 alpha upon 2 is equal to 4. तो यहाँ से हम अल्फा की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं, which is equal to 8 upon 5. सेकेंड अगर हम एक्स स्क्वायर का पावर इक्वेट करें तो वी हैव 3 बीटा अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 6, so which implies beta is equal to 4. Now equating power of x is 1, so we have gamma minus 3 alpha upon 2 is equal to 7, which implies gamma is equal to 7 plus 3 alpha upon 2. So here gamma is equal to 47 upon 5 after simplifying. Now यहाँ पे हम x to the power 0 शो कर सकते हैं. अगर हम दोनों तरफ कांस्टेंट टर्म को कोफिशिएंट करें, x to the power 0 कोफिशिएंट को अगर हम इक्वेट करें, तो we have zeta minus beta upon 2 is equal to 2. So this one is zeta minus beta upon 2 is equal to 2. So this implies value of zeta is 4. Now putting these all values alpha, beta, gamma, zeta in equation first, we have 4x cube. We have 4x cube plus 6 square plus 7x plus 2 is equal to alpha is 8 upon 5, so we have 8 upon 5 p3x